SSS Spirituality Made Simple with Sanjeev and Saurav. And as we are proceeding ahead day by day, we are on day 8 today, and I am waiting for my friend Dr. Saurav, and let him join. In the meanwhile, just let me ask you all uh, that hope you all are enjoying this and hope you are practicing also. So today I am from a new place, so I'll update you as my friend joins in. I would like to share with him also so that he knows where I am. Hi
Hi
Saurav.
Sanjeev, how are you?
Hi Sanjeev, how are you? I am good. And Saurav, I was holding this surprise for my audience कि आज मैं किसी और जगह बैठा हुआ हूँ.
Very nice. I see, fresh
Very nice,
background.
fresh. Can you guess where am I sitting right now?
It's a park. I can see
Just
that.
see something. I'll show you. Time the nursery. So Sundar Nursery is the place where I'm calling you from.
Very nice.
And very nice. It is such a lovely time out here. If you can see little sky between the trees, if you can see little bit. शाम हो गई है लेकिन थोड़ा थोड़ा आसमान में रोशनी है पीछे की तरफ वेस्ट साइड में. एंड दैट्स व्हाट यू कैन सी. आगे की तरफ बिल्कुल अंधेरा है. सो दिस इज वेयर आई वाज थिंकिंग. यहाँ पर बैठा हुआ तो अभी अचानक मेरे दिमाग में आया कि सी द नेचर, हाउ नेचर इज वर्किंग फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस exactly in orderly form. So doctor,
Absolutely. We
just
think it's
इसी मौके को
chaos. It's
देखिए.
actually
आगे
order.
की तरफ अंधेरा और या आगे की तरफ अंधेरा, पीछे की तरफ रोशनी आसमान में. This gives me something whereby like it is such a universal system that universe works on the particular order and system.
Totally.
And it is we human being, we make everything disorder and we think everything to go for us in order.
Yes, because we have limited knowledge of what order
Because we
is.
have limited knowledge of what order is. Yeah.
We,
So,
it's funny as you say,
it's funny as
every
you say,
time people say we
because
want order,
every time people say we want order,
but then they are scared of patterns.
but then they are scared of patterns. Doctor, do you think is it that we are unaware about the order or we do not want to follow the order?
So we want to follow
So
the order
we want
that
to follow
benefits
the
us.
order that benefits us. Yeah. And when you say the word what benefits us, we are talking at the personal level.
Absolutely.
Whereas
the ego.
universal law is
Absolutely,
at the
the
mass
ego.
level, community level.
The ego.
The ego.
What satisfies
Ego.
the ego is
What
the right
satisfies
order.
the ego is the right order.
What doesn't satisfy the
Yes.
ego is the wrong order.
What doesn't satisfy the ego is the wrong order. Doesn't work. And universal system works perfectly because universal system talks about all benefit, all everybody benefiting at the same time together.
Yes.
Wow. Wow, yes. That's wonderful.
I have a little friend with me today. He's also
Friend with
here.
me today. He's
Also say hi to everybody.
Wow. Also say hi to everybody. So doctor, what do you say? Let's talk about this spirituality made simple as order in life. Law of order in life. What do you say?
Absolutely. So let's get started.
Absolutely.
So what's the download today of order in life?
The download right now. The moment you came and I was looking कि मेरे आगे आसमान अंधेरा और पीछे रोशनी आसमान में पेड़ों के बीच में नजर आ रही थी, जो अभी भी आ रही है. This gave me a format. क्या यूनिवर्सल सिस्टम है. जो सिस्टम आप देखो, all 4 seasons well on time, all day and night well on time, Earth revolving around sun since billions of years in 365.25 days. Wow, क्या order है.
It's just amazing, no? It's like perfect synchronization.
Absolutely. And we human beings are unable to make the order even to eat food on time, wake up on time, sleep on time. And we always say, मैं कल से ये शुरू करूंगा. रिजोल्यूशन तो रोज बनते हैं हमारे.
And tomorrow never comes, no? And tomorrow it's already today. Tomorrow it's already today.
Yeah. And tomorrow is never there. That's it. So what's your point of view related to the law of order, doctor?
So, why is so easy for nature to follow order is because it has surrendered the control to the environment around it. So Earth has surrendered its control to the relationship with the sun. Now, I'll share an interesting thing. I don't know if many people know about this or not. That the Earth does not revolve around the sun. So sun and Earth create a relationship between each other with their gravitational pulls. And because sun is so big, the center of their relationship is within the sun. And they are both revolving around that relationship. So taking that into real life, what we talked about yesterday, going forward from yesterday, with relationships and order, allow the relationship to dictate. So our relationship with our body is of activity and rest. So when you need to rest, rest.
True.
And what will happen is, initially we will sleep during the day, maybe half an hour nap here or there, and slowly the clock will automatically set itself to the perfect synchronization with nature.
Yeah.
मतलब आप जो आज लोग बोलते हैं मुझे नींद नहीं आती, मुझे परेशानी होती है सोने में, आप दिन में सो, आप रात में सो, एक महीने के अंदर आपकी बॉडी ऑटोमेटिकली आपको रात को 8:30-9 बजे सुला देगी.
Absolutely.
Of course, the thing here is that you're not going partying till 4 a.m. and not staying awake due to caffeine or Red Bulls or Cokes or any of those things. And you sleep.
So true. You should sleep. And doctor, when you rightly said this gives me another insight immediately to share. कि law of order doesn't mean that about the routine कि 4 बजे उठना है, 6 बजे नाश्ता करना है, 8 बजे करना है. Law of order says at least be connected to yourself.
Yeah.
Listen to your body.
Yeah.
Listen what is it asking for. And if you listen to the body, if you understand a smallest of the pain, smallest of the sensation, smallest of anything, that tells, you see, I need your attention, and that's the law of order, I think.
Yeah, absolutely. Yeah. It's what we said yesterday also, today also. It is the relationship between us and our body. It is communicated through pain from the body, or happy sensations. And from us, it is communicated in a command.
So true. Absolutely. So I am really loving this today, and I want to share to all our audience that, dear friends, with your loads of love, what you're giving to us through SSS on different media platforms, it is giving a lot of awareness and energy to both of us also.
Absolutely.
It is not that हम आपको कोई ज्ञान दे रहे हैं, क्योंकि मैं और सौरभ आपके संग रेगुलर शेयर करते हैं कि हम यहाँ पर कुछ भी वेल प्लान्ड और प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं आते हैं. जो आता है उस समय बोलते हैं, और बोलते बोलते जो चीज निकलती है उसमें से मेरे और डॉक्टर सौरभ को भी बहुत कुछ समझ में आता है, जो हम अपनी लाइफ में भी और सिंप्लीफाई कर रहे हैं. एंड सौरभ, देयर वाज अ क्वेश्चन दैट समबडी आस्किंग कि जब आप लोग अपने प्लान तरीके से नहीं बोलते तो व्हाई हैव यू केप्ट दिस नेम SSS, दैट इज स्पिरिचुअलिटी मेड सिंपल? क्योंकि वो तो अगर आपको पता है तभी तो सिंपल बनाओगे. So I shared one simple answer, and you can add your point. कि simple is that कि हम कॉम्प्लिकेट से बाहर निकल रहे हैं, अपने आप डाउनलोड हो रहा है, ये अपने आप में आ रहा है. इससे सिंपल क्या हो सकता है?
Absolutely. मैं तो इतना ऐड करूंगा कि हमने एक यूनिवर्स को रिक्वेस्ट भेजी, भैया सिंपल कर दो सब, तो डाउनलोड सब सिंपल आएगा, कुछ कॉम्प्लिकेटेड नहीं आएगा.
Simple again. Oh, great. So thank you, doctor, for here today. And anything would you like to give a special message the beginning of second week today?
I think it's beautiful to see the environment outside. It is so Sanjeev, thank you so much for showing us the space. And as you are
Thank you very
going
much.
from day to evening, it is a beautiful time to communicate with everybody. And I think your
Yes,
background
yes,
itself is so spiritually soothing. आधी रिलैक्सेशन तो वही हो गई.
Genuinely मैं यहाँ से भी निकलने की प्लान कर रहा था.
हाँ.
And when you said background, तो मैं अपने background को अपने कैमरा में देख रहा हूँ अपने इसमें.
हाँ.
And it feels that I should stay here for another 1 hour.
Sure, absolutely, you should.
Thank you for making it simple for me right now, doctor. Thank you, Chitra, for joining us. Thank you, Monica, Rishu, for being here, and keep connected with us. And anything you can write your comment, ask your questions. We are here. And as we said, through the simple download, we will make simple for everything and everybody all throughout the life.
Perfect. Thank you so much, Sanjeev, for a
Right,
beautiful download.
Thank you. Bye-bye. Namaste.